Alright, got the old one out. However, there's the new one. And then here's the old one. Can you tell what's different? Yeah, this rear end's set up for a sway bar. That one's not. So that one, even though it'll fit, it's not going to work. So I learned from 77 to 80 they put a rear sway bar in. So now I got to go out and I got to find a 77 to 80 rear end. However, I still wanted to rip that out. So I ripped it out. There's the leaf springs. Getting them painted up. Here's everything off the rear end. Couldn't get the bottom bolt out of that one, so I did a little bit of polishing to see whether or not it may take the oxidation away from the blue. And I did this fender. Actually looks pretty good on camera too. See if you can see. Yeah, see? So get it all polished up. As far as this goes, right there is a hell of indentation. It's out. It's a hell of a bump. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah, see it? So I think that is a good indicator of what happened. So once we'll see what happens, and what I'm going to do is I'll probably bring that, hopefully it'll fit on there and it won't be too heavy. Bring in the table and we'll take that thing apart together. I'm expecting to see a shitload of freaking metal shavings. And then we'll be able to find out what happened. Oh, connecting the battery. And this was the reason why it went dead. It's the anti-run-on valve. Killed my battery. And the reason why it did that is because I put that on. They told me that those new ones right there will make that react. Wow. That's the new oil switch. Apparently what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to go off when it reads like 0 oil pressure or some shit like that. But we know the oil pressure is good. It's good on our gauge. We just replaced the oil pump, so... But, yeah, getting it done. One thing after another, it figures. It just freaking figures. My fault, though. I should have actually just looked. Something just told me, you know, you might want to take a look at that rear end before you go get one. But looking in the book, 67 to 80 tube rear ends are all the same. Not true. Not true at all. So we're finding out wonderful things on this thing. Alright guys. You guys take it easy. Stay warm if you're in Colorado because it's freaking cold. See, I can't even spin that. There we go. Hear it? Right there. Something's happening right there. There it is. And it'll only go in reverse. Or the other way. And there we go. We can go back the other way. Interesting! Throw that over there. Might need that. Doubt it. Might need it though. Oh, we'll see what I did. Alright guys, take it easy. We'll see you later. Peace.